My dear children, welcome to the math class. Let's continue our chapter 3. Today we will discuss about HCF, means highest common factor. Okay? To find the highest common factor, we need to look at the factors of two or more numbers. There are different ways of finding the factors. Let us find the common factors of 20 and 24 by different methods. So first we see the method 1. In method 1 we discuss about factor method. So first of all children, we have to find all the factors. Suppose 20. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay. Then next step what we do? We have to find out the common factor. So which are common? 1, 2 and 4. These three numbers are common factor. Okay. But here 4 is the greatest of the three. So here HCF of 20 and 24 is 4. Okay. Then method 2. Here you see factor tree method. Here we take the common factors and multiply them together. So 20. How we get 20? If we multiply 2 and 10 we get 20. Again how we get 10? If we multiply 2 and 5 we get 10. Okay. So these are the common factor. Okay. Here also you see in 24 we get 2, 2, 2 and 3. So which are common factor? 2. Okay. If we multiply these 2 we get what? 4. Okay. So 4 is the HCF of 20 and 24. Then third method, division method. In division method just we divide with prime number. Here 20. We first divide by 2. Then we get 10. Again we divide by 2. Then we get 5. Then at last we get 1. Okay. Here also we divide, at last we get 1. Now we write all the factors of 20 and 24. Then we find out the common factors, that is double 2. If we multiply then we get 4. So 4 is the answer. Then method 4, long division method. Here 3 steps are given, just we follow. First divide the greater number by the smaller number and find the remainder. Okay. Here children we get remainder 4. Divide the smaller number or divisor by the remainder. Here children in second step or second division this remainder is now considered as a divisor. Okay. So we continue like this division, at least we get 0. Okay. So here which is the highest common divisor or which is the HCF? Children, you remember the last divisor of the division is known as the HCF. So here 4 we get the last divisor. So here 4 is the answer. Then method 5 using the rule of divisibility prime factorization method. So here we write 20 and 24, then we divide at a time. First we divide by 2, then we get 10 and 12. Again we divide by 2, we get 5 and 6. But we multiply on this side of number, that are only double 2. If we multiply, then we get 4. So 4 is the SCF of 20 and 24. So clear? We discuss about total 5 methods to find out the SCF. Method 1 is factor method, then method 2 is factor tree method, method 3 is division method, method 4 is long division method, and method 5 is divisibility prime factorization method. So children, you practice this method or example in your copy. Then comes to my practice time 5. One number, children, you see, find the SCF of the following using prime factorization method. You apply this method. And number 2, find the SCF of the following using long division method. Here children, you apply this one. Okay, long division method. Then you complete my practice time 5. Okay. Then comes to application of SCF. How we apply. Here one example is given. There are 72, 108 and 132 strawberries in 3 different baskets. What is the largest group into which the strawberries can be split if they have to be arranged equally? So what is the solution? You see, the greatest group into which 72, 108 and 132 strawberries can be equally arranged is their HCF. So we find out their HCF. Any one method you apply and find out the HCF. Okay. Then comes to my practice time 6. One number, children, you see, there are 32 rasgullas and 48 burfis in 2 boxes. What is the largest number of boxes in which rasgullas and burfis can be packed together such that equal numbers of both are there in each box? Very easy, children. Here you find out the HCF. Then we get your answer. 2 number, find the greatest possible length of a wire which can be used to measure exactly 56 meter, 42 meter and 70 meter. Here also find out the greatest possible length. So here we find out the SCF. 3 number, there are 4 drums containing 54 liters, 72 liters, 84 liters and 66 liters of oil. Find exact number of items. Okay. So here also same we do find the SCF. Then 4 number, you see, there are 18, 15 and 21 chocolates in 3 packets. Sam wants to distribute them equally among some children. Find the maximum number of children among whom the chocolates can be distributed. So here children, maximum number. So we have to do what? We have to do SCF. We find out the SCF, then we get the answer. 5 number, you want to plant 48 tomato plants, 54 coconut plants and 66 mango plants in your garden. If you put the same number of plants in each row and each row has only one type of plants, what is the greatest number of plants that you can put in one row? Here also children asked what? Greatest number. So here also we find out the HCF. Okay. So children, here you mark all the questions have greatest number, maximum number. Here also you see largest. Okay. So we find out where we see largest number, maximum number. There we find out the HCF only. Okay. Clear? These 5 questions. Before you solve this My Practice Time 6, children, you first follow all the examples. Okay, only one example is given in your book, so you follow this example and first write the data and you solve. So My Practice Time 5 and My Practice Time 6 is your homework. You complete it in your copy. Thank you.